Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. Are you ready to unleash your creative mastery? I had an amazing time with Prime Creations Artisan Soap Crafting Set. It literally is the best kit to start learning this wonderful craft. I mean, look how beautiful the packaging looks. Just the case itself is inviting and inspires creativity. I can't say enough how reading the instructions is highly important. My friends and I were total newbies, but following the detailed instructions with this kit, we were able to create our own individual combinations of scents and colorful soaps. We did marbleizing in the mold loaf. We layered the shea butter with the clear soap. We used the lavender and the rose petals. We had fun using the different colors in the clear soap base, and the results were mind blowing. The lavender smelled so fresh, and the roses on the soap bar were so elegant. I really love the process of creating individual bars, seeing the texture, and feeling the beautiful shea butter soap. It was an experience that you won't forget. I highly recommend this soap making kit. I loved it. My friends and I had a great time, and you will too. But that's just my point of view.